Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use a WhatsApp account on multiple phones simultaneously. Before we begin, make sure to hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. WhatsApp now lets you use your account on 5 different phones, so you can use the same account on multiple devices at the same time. First things first, let me tell you that this feature is only available for WhatsApp users who have the latest version of the app installed on their device. So make sure you update your WhatsApp to the latest version before you try to use this feature. Now, follow these simple steps. The first step is to install WhatsApp on the other device that you want to link your account with. During the registration process, you need to ignore the screen that asks you to enter your phone number, and instead, tap the 3 dots icon at the top corner of the screen. Once you tap the 3 dots icon, you'll see a list of options. Choose the Link to Existing Account option, and then you'll see a QR code on the screen. Now, on the original device that has your WhatsApp account configured, go to Settings, and then Link a Device. This will open up the camera on your device, which you can use to scan the QR code on the other device. Once you've successfully scanned the QR code, your WhatsApp account will be logged in on the other device without the need for number verification or a SIM card. And that's it. Now you can use the same WhatsApp account on multiple phones, Android or iPhone, up to a maximum of 5 devices. You can always track the linked devices on your original phone and remove accounts from the other device anytime. It's a convenient feature that can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you need to switch between devices frequently. So if you're looking for a way to use your WhatsApp account on multiple phones, give this feature a try.